Just to set your expectations guys, yung room na to medyo may kalumaan na, pero bawi naman sa convenience at saka sa location mismo. This is the Stay Hotel. 2-minute walk lang to sa airport limousine bus kaya hindi hassle going sa airport. 3 minutes to the tax-free Korean Mart na may madaming options for pasalubong. 4 minutes lang din itong 12 floors na Daiso. Sa baba may local restaurants kung saan kami nakakain ng sobrang sarap na jjajangmyeon. Surrounded din ng mga Korean barbecues, galbi at may sauna place sa tabi lang. 2 minutes lang din ang G25 for convenience store runs. Dito din malapit ang drop-off ng mga tours gaya ng Elysian Ski at Nami Tour. Kung ibubook mo, you can use my code KIMBOLANCLOAK para makasave. Welcome to our room. This is the standard twin room. Meron siyang double bed and then single bed. Meron tayong vanity desk / work desk dito, and then you can also put here some of your stuff. Meron din ditong robes, mini fridge, itong 3 bottled waters, mugs. Bathroom naman, may shower, may shampoo, may bath gel, conditioner. Ang wala lang is yung bidet nila dito. Merong TV. This is the selling point of this room kasi makikita mo night market from your window. So if you want to book this, you can just search it on Klook The Stay Hotel, and you can use my code KIMBOLANCLOAK for a discount.